a little and
and I went up in the weight in the front wheels too. The shift, those that I bought, I already had 2 brass rings with the kit. I bought them used.
I put inner and outer portals on that one. I'm at about 6.5 pounds on that.
I paid $120 for those wheels. But they came with a
sounds gross to me.
I could turn around and sell them for $120.
I'm sure you could.
So.
Yeah, I just went on AliExpress and found the cheapest Enjorers I could find.
Like $30 max.
That's the only reason why I got 2 brand new sets of wheels, because they were...
That is one thing I would suggest to do.
Delete it to this to the battery. Just go to the top.
I cannot make this.
Oh yeah?
Struggling.
My battery's dead.
Use that right rear.
Took my batteries out, gave you a pair, knowing damn well.
Oh, do you need some?
No, no.
Oh, so you can have them back.
No. Just knowing damn well I was going to need some, I didn't take any out from the fill. Hey, what, Ryan? Sorry.
Oh no.
I was just, I get on a verb train or word train.
Light. No. It's just so light it's getting thrown around and pushed around everywhere.
Are those one-piece axles or 3-piece?
The AR-44s?
Yeah.
Are those a 3-piece or one?
Like you could pull the tubes off. And
yeah, I was just telling them I have beef tubes and shit for them too.
I have a brass for them.
I've never made it with this truck.
Yeah. Oh, nice.
Yeah. Just
Can you still buy those?
yeah, I bought racing ones in. No rooster. That one's nasty. Like I got the hook, but it just
Too much
pulled the
undercut.
skid right into it and just stopped.
Just don't quite have the reach.
Sure.
Here's the tent.
Oh. So I swapped my King of the South to that Endura trans.
Oh, you did?
To the OD3?
No, the Endura.
What's that one?
The COTS already has ring and pinions to give it 30% overdrive, so I didn't want to use the OD3 for. The Endura one is it's like a copy of a Reef, and it's $20. Nice.
It's very nice.
Pinned.
Yep.
I checked it. I file checked the gears, the hard. Like $20. Deal. Fine. You're cheating. We have 525s, so.
And rear steer.
And four-wheel steer
All the
shit.
tricks.
We're using all of the tricks, so don't get discouraged. In a two-wheel
Ryan.
Easy, Ryan. Oh, God.
He reached to flip my truck and. Sorry, Ryan.
God.
Thank you for flipping my truck. Sorry you drove your truck off the cliff.
Breakers.
I was going to ask you, Paul.
It was like 3. I kept going flipping.
And you like throttled down all the way.
Jam it.
Oh, battery. Damn it. I'll let you try it.
Are you fucking kidding me?
Battery 2.
Yeah.
My batteries when we came down.
These 60s be like that, or 650s be like that. Oh shit, I'm falling off the hook.
There you go.
Ugh. Oh my god. Got stuck on the shock. The shock mounts the axle. I'm sure you don't.
Unlike the old school.
Oh, you almost got it. Turn. There you go. Yeah, dude, nice. You fucking one shot of that. I just tried it like 14 times with this high-end chassis. Back, you run your tie rod into the rock. There you go. You turn right. Oh. Ooh, easy killer. Those are the Mias axles too, the Mias portals?
Yeah.
I gotta give me a set. I think I'm gonna do that to the green bastard.
Should.
You will not regret it.
Yeah, I know.
Are those the $80 axles?
Yeah.
Yeah.
For the pair.
Yeah. And they're complete, right?
Complete.
Ready to go.
Quality's great.
Yep. Just not walking it with the ease that I think it should be.
Yeah, a couple more tweaks to this thing. And
Yeah, that one's
it's
doing
pretty
really
good
good.
today. It's looking the part.
Yeah. One thing that will help you is getting rid of the TRX4 chassis and getting the axial chassis.
This is the axial chassis.
No.
This is the
Oh, that was your other one. Never
That's
mind.
the other
Okay,
one.
never mind.
You want to know what happened with that?
What?
I fucked up on my Amazon order.
Did you?
Yeah. And I had already ripped everything apart. I was like, fuck it, I'm gonna use it. That's why I said if that thing's not a line killer, I'm not
Yeah.
100% worried about it.
Yeah, yeah. It can be. Like,
Yeah, it'll do
the
good.
honky wagon's
Yeah.
great. Just the axial has a smaller belly.
Yeah.
Like a lot.
Can you still put the tracks and stuff on there?
Not the axial. Not the skid.
That's good.
Oh, okay.
I had to
That's
do.
why that belly's so big.
I had to
for
do
the
some
axial,
because
for the
I was
Texas
going
transmission.
axial, and I bought
There
that
you go.
wrong track. I had to do some.
And
skid
when you do
modifications,
it,
buy
it
a
looks
different skid
effortlessly.
to
You just-
find what would work.
Yeah.
But
See?
otherwise, you just pull the skid right into the rock.
Well, same thing with this one. Brian just one-shotted it, no problem.
That was a stroke of luck, though, that the skid kind of.
Oh, don't be talking shit over here. Don't be talking
honky
shit over
wagon
here.
walks right
Come on
over.
now.
It was good.
This
but
guy's giving me.
The honky wagon does it, no problem.
If you didn't, that's what I mimicked was how his did, where you put the left instead of the right, and you let it like tilt over. Like you got to three-wheel it and tilt over it.
Liking this Spectrum now.
Do you have a Fusion?
I have a Fusion and a Spectrum.
I like my Fusion better.
Yeah, I have one of each.
Damn it, I wanted her to stay down there. Stay, go that way.
Yeah, that's where I was like. I've got the 18 that's going. I might put the 18 in this one and throw the other one.
They're like 4 18s, and then the Fusions are these. Actually, I have one. I like that too. It's about the same thing. I guess I don't like it better.
I think for me,
It's not the same as a hobby one.
There you go.
They have less options, but they take away like the freewheeling and the crawler mode because it's just locked in crawler mode basically and locked in no freewheeling.
Yeah.
So they just take away the shit you never change anyway.
There you go. Oh.
Somewhere has video of my fucking Gen 8 driving.
Well, it used to be way stacked up.
There you go.
The Sporky will do it just like that. The Honky Wagon can't.
I really
This
can't
just
see
did.
where I'm going.
This just did it. Fucking battery died. I can't get it on video.
I really don't know where I'm going there.
You just gotta go straight up, really. Don't know that you have the wheelbase. Fall backwards. You're
Well,
gonna pay the price for it.
Alright, I'm not gonna try it. You can throw it up here. That's fine.
Hold on, Trent. Let me get you on video.
Yeah, her Lego collection is valued at like 15 grand right now.
I'd say that's crazy, but
That RC's worth
Yeah.
15, 20 grand worth of RC.
Yep.
it's getting up there. I don't know.
So whenever I see a new Lego in the Amazon cart or something like that, I can't bitch because she's like, "You fucking nickel and dimed us to $300 last month." You know,
Yeah, dude, that's the
like,
thing with RCs is they fucking nickel and dime you.
Yep.
$20 here.
$30
there,
here,
$30
missing
there.
this.
Fucking transmission.
Yeah. That's how you're like, yeah, just pick up a bag of those nuts. I'm like, yeah. I think I had to start
Way further over like this.
further. Well, I went straight up, but then I worked my rear to the left. And then once I kind of got in a good place, I started moving right with the rear. Start working your way right.
Yeah. Make you work for it. Yeah.
I was just over there the other day.
Ooh, watch that. That's a bad one. A bad pin.
Be about time for me to close down that too. I don't need to go back. That's what I need.
I have two too yet.
I still have two. I'm still in this picture. I have one in my pocket. I just changed this one not long
Man,
ago.
I'm lost in shit.
And I have.
Did you switch the ends out on those small ones? I might order somebody to do that for me.
I don't know. If you look, normally
Is there anything smaller than 850 is extra crazy?
if you look right now, Prime, they're having a sales and shit. They are, I think, $12 a piece.
Oh, really?
Yeah, yeah. It's 4S Gen 8 or tattoos.
Yeah, I have the tattoo 850. Just because
853S.
for us.
Okay.
That's the only ones I can get.
So they,
Smallest ones I can get with XT60s.
so they, You're pushing it on
I
like
have Toyota. My Toyota's that way. It does okay. It does pretty good. So full interior.
ass up there before I have to change your battery.
Full interior, everything.
On your extra cab?
Yeah.
But his is also short wheelbase too.
Yeah.
So it's gonna get even fuckier. Because it's a single cab.
And everybody will say, no, you just don't have fucking drive. Like, I don't care. Like,
I'm
why?
fucking incapable.
Yeah.
I'm in the wrong spot over here, I think.
Maybe I don't know how to drive a stupid fucking. It's like, oh, I'd take my stock tracker everywhere. Like, who cares? That's not fun. I think it's fucking pretty good today, right?
Battery, I still got 2 more.
Okay, once you get here, I'm gonna walk back and I'll just do 3 yes in the bowl.
I think these tires and inserts are singing the song.
Yeah, they're doing great.
What inserts are those? Did you print them?
I printed them. I don't know what. No, they're singles.
Ah, no. Got it.
I don't remember. I think it's something I got from Brian. Brian pays for a lot of them, and then we trade shit.
Nice. And now I see what I'm doing. We'll go one more time.
For some reason, I can't make it up right there with the crawlers some days.
It's not a gimme line.
No, I've made it up in soaking wet
Brian just
canyon
fucking
trails before.
shitting all over it.
Mine just hit on it too.
Mine did too, but mine's supposed to. Like mine,
Yeah.
you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Man, let's go.
He was doing the best.
Really?
I was like, hey, fucking Jet 7s are fucking starting on y'all.
I wish they were better. I like some of their bodies.
This is like the old,
One that's ugly non-licensed.
yeah,
body.
non-licensed. You can't tell what it is.
Looks like kind of like the family truckster.
Yeah,
from
kind of.
fucking in the
It
front.
was that green one too, yeah. And he had mudslingers
It's
on.
funny. It's like if the family
No,
truck.
that one, go.
It's like if the people that made the family truckster from fucking National Lampoons made a truck and made like an SUV thing, it would be a fucking Everest Gen 7.
Yeah. But I've seen those things fucking break right out of it.
Yeah, like super break. Like junk.
Like when they came out, they'd be like, "Ooh, so cool."
Negative. It threw shit all over my TRX4 when it blew up.
Broke knuckles right away and C-hubs and shit.
That's how the Gen 9s do too, on the fucking red
I
cat.
haven't seen anybody with Gen 9. That Gen 9 came out and I have not seen it one time.
Well, the Gen 9
I've seen a
actual,
lot of the Gen 8s and the Gen 8s do okay.
well, it got overshadowed immediately by the fucking,
DRD and the Fusion and shit.
by the Fusion.
Oh, yeah.
Hey. But, oh, that's hanging out here in just a minute. Going up the last hill and walking back to the car. And Andy's about to head over. He was still in the work meeting after I talked to him. So. No. She didn't remind me last night, and I didn't think about it. Oh, okay. She didn't tell me last night that she wanted to go, so I didn't wake her up. Well, she just up till 3 a.m., so she's just fucking dead. Yeah. Alright, well, we're going up Dead Man's and then walking back once we're in the road, so we're like 50 feet from freedom. I'll be heading home. Love you too. Hey, you want me to stop and bring you salada? So don't eat. I was gonna surprise you, but also I don't want you to eat between us.
Mine went all on the Element and my Air 44, the pin at this Universal went all in first.
Yeah.
That's actually the most scale. That's the most scale thing. With the open dip.
To be fair, you probably won't fuck it up, but because it's just freewheeling inside there. That, or before you order parts, pull it apart and see if you didn't round out the center of the spool.
Yeah.
Because if it rounded out the center of the
Yeah, I'll
spool,
take it apart before.
Yeah, I would definitely do that.
then you can just change the fucking spool, and they're fucking $7.
Does that have overdrive in it?
It will now.
What's that?
It will now.
Yeah, that's
No,
what I'm
he's
saying.
got 30% in the trans. He doesn't need to fuck with it. I forgot. If it was a chode, I'd say go ahead and take that opportunity to add the extra 11% or 12% to make it.
Damn, I batteried again.
Or did you?
Yeah.
And we've done a lot of trying, so, to be fair.
I can normally do.
Oh my god, why can I not? Uh-oh. Maybe that has something to do with it.
Nickel and dime you, nickel and dime you.
What'd you break?
Nothing, I just got a loose wheel.
Oh.
Oh shit, I'm sorry. Your lack of drag brake finally rolled away when I hit it.
Yeah.
Sorry, I should have had that sheet vinegar. My bad.
You're good. All right, fresh battery.